Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS Glue Console for ETL jobs, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the AWS Management Console website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign in to the console button. Enter your AWS account email or mobile number in the provided field. Click on the Next button. Input your password in the password field. Click on the Sign In button to access your AWS console. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the AWS Management Console homepage. In the search bar at the top, type Glue and select Glue from the drop-down suggestions. You will be redirected to the AWS Glue Console. Here, you will see the AWS Glue dashboard. On the left sidebar, you can navigate to various Glue features. To create or manage ETL jobs, locate and click on the Jobs option. On the Jobs page, you can view existing jobs or create new ones. To create a new job, click on the Add Job button. Fill in the required fields, such as job name and IAM role. Configure the job properties according to your ETL requirements. Once finished setting up the job, click on the Save button. You will see your new job listed on the Jobs page. You can now manage your ETL jobs from the AWS Glue Console. Explore other features like crawlers and databases to enhance your ETL process. When finished, make sure to log out to secure your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.